Imagine a place where your educational dreams can take flight. Welcome to an exploration of Kabir PU College, which is located in RT Nagar Bengaluru, a beacon of knowledge and opportunity in the realm of arts and commerce education. Located in a serene environment, Kabir PU College is a sanctuary for learning, nurturing young minds to become future leaders. Our campus boasts of excellent facilities that create a conducive atmosphere for comprehensive learning. Now let's delve into our course offerings. Kabir PU College provides courses in commerce with history, economics, business and accountancy subjects, and arts with history, economics, political science and sociology subjects with excellent teaching learning methods. In the realm of commerce, we offer a robust curriculum that encompasses a wide range of subjects, preparing students for a dynamic and ever-evolving business world. In the arts department, our courses are designed to foster creativity, critical thinking, and a deep appreciation for diverse cultural expressions. Our seasoned faculty members, experts in their respective fields, are dedicated to imparting knowledge and inspiring curiosity. Affordability is a crucial factor in education, and Kabir PU College understands this. Our fee structure is designed keeping this in mind, ensuring that quality education remains accessible to all. This distinguishes us from other similar institutions that may offer the same courses but at a much higher cost. Academics at Kabir PU College are nothing short of excellence. Our students consistently outperform in their academics, which is a testament to our commitment to academic excellence. We also hold orientation programs for parents, students, and teachers to help them understand the academic and educational activities that takes place at our college premises. Beyond academics, we believe in the holistic development of our students. We provide life skill and value-based education to our students in order to foster fundamental abilities and to assist adolescents in acquiring the skills required to deal with life's reality. Our extracurricular activities offer a plethora of opportunities, ranging from sports, educational and fun-filled trips, celebrating national festivals, cultural programs, arts and crafts, to leadership roles, creating social responsibilities, while encouraging students to explore their interests and talents. Safety and security are paramount at Kabir PU College. Our secure campus ensures that students and staff can focus on their work and studies without worry. This commitment to a safe and secure environment further sets us apart from other institutions. So, as you think about your future, consider Kabir PU College that offers a launchpad for your aspirations, a place where you can grow, learn, and ultimately succeed. Now the question is, where do you see yourself in the coming years? Could it be at Kabir PU College, building the foundation for a bright future? Remember, admissions are open for the academic year 2024 to 2025. Make the choice that will shape your future. Thank you.